We have just launched our eagerly awaited funded automated trader program here at Alphachain Capital. This is the first quantitative trading program of its kind, allowing us to develop a new generation of quantitative traders while also providing funding for their automated trading systems. New traders will learn how to develop and execute comprehensive systematic trading strategies from the ground up, developing highly valued coding skills while learning how to backtest and develop robust trading systems. At the end of the training, we'll guarantee you funding for your strategy, starting at $12,500, rising up to $2 million upon set target achievements. You'll cover how to structure a systematic trading strategy, how to code various technical indicators, how to run backtests, how to create your own custom indicators, and a lot more, all in TradingView. Applications are now open at www.alphachain.academy. Please note we have a limited number of spaces available each month, offered on a first come first served basis. I hope to see you soon.